Imagine a world where you could store your thoughts, memories, and even your personality on a computer. A place where a digital version of you could live on forever. Is this science fiction? Maybe. But with today's advancements, this idea might be closer to reality than you think. Welcome back to Mindspheres. Today we're diving into one of the most intriguing scientific questions of our time. How close are we to downloading our minds into computers? Could this actually be done? Let's break it down. To understand how this would work, we first need to grasp what it means to upload a mind. Your brain isn't just an organ, it's a network of over 86 billion neurons, each connecting to thousands of other neurons. Together, these connections form your thoughts, memories, and emotions, the core of who you are. If we're going to upload a brain, we need to map every neuron and every connection to create an accurate digital copy. But how do we even begin to do that? Thanks to advances in brain imaging technology, we're closer than ever to making this a reality. Projects like the Human Connectomy Project are already creating ultra-detailed three-dimensional maps of the brain's neural pathways. Using state-of-the-art MRI scanners, scientists are mapping the complex web of connections that make up the human mind. Imagine these maps as a blueprint for your brain, showing where everything is, how it's connected, and how information flows. But here's the catch: understanding the structure is only one piece of the puzzle. The real challenge isn't just mapping the brain's structure, it's also about capturing its activity. Your brain is constantly firing and processing information in real time. To truly recreate a human mind, scientists would need to record these patterns of activity, essentially capturing a snapshot of everything you're thinking and feeling in the exact moment of upload. Some cutting-edge research projects are attempting to tackle this challenge. Neuroimaging tools like functional MRI or fMRI can already measure brain activity by tracking changes in blood flow. But fMRI alone isn't nearly detailed enough to capture the intricate, millisecond by millisecond workings of the brain. To replicate the mind, we need technology that can record individual neuron activity in unprecedented detail. Enter quantum computers. Quantum computing might sound like a buzzword, but it could be the game changer in making brain uploads possible. While classical computers use bits to process data in binary, quantum computers use qubits that can exist in multiple states at once. This makes quantum computers incredibly powerful, able to handle vast amounts of data and solve complex problems much faster than traditional computers. If there's any technology capable of simulating an entire human brain, quantum computing might just be it. Imagine using a quantum computer to simulate every neuron in your brain, every signal and every connection in real time. We'd have a digital replica of you, complete with your thoughts, emotions, and memories. But here's the twist: even with the right technology, scientists are still faced with one of the biggest mysteries in science: consciousness. Even if we map every neuron, does that create a conscious being? This is known as the hard problem of consciousness. It's one thing to create a digital brain that behaves like you, but it's another to create a digital mind that actually feels like you. Could this uploaded version of you be conscious, or would it be more like an advanced simulation? This is one of the greatest questions we face. Some scientists argue that a digital version would only be a copy, like a twin with your memories, but without the awareness that it's you. Others believe that if we could replicate the exact structure and function of the brain, consciousness might naturally emerge in the digital version. It's a debate that's as much philosophical as it is scientific. But let's talk ethics. What would it mean to upload yourself? Is it really you or just a copy? If the digital you could live forever, what does that mean for identity? And who would control this uploaded version of you? Could someone delete it, reprogram it, or use it without your consent? Mind uploading opens up a Pandora's box of moral questions. The ethics of mind uploading go beyond science. Imagine a future where people pay to upload themselves into virtual worlds, or where corporations control digital versions of people. Could a digital you have rights? Could it be enslaved, erased, or manipulated? These are questions we must grapple with as technology advances. We might not be downloading our brains into computers tomorrow, but the steps are real, and the science is moving faster than you'd think. If mind uploading becomes possible, we'll have to decide, do we even want it? Would we be willing to take the leap into a digital version of ourselves? Or would we be trading something priceless, our humanity, for a shot at digital immortality? So, what do you think? Would you ever upload your mind into a computer if it meant living on forever? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-bending content every week. Until next time.